Good morning. Today is Thursday, September 18th, and we could go over the last bit of economic data that we had for today. You had unemployment claims at 231,000. The expected claim was 241,000, so that's down a little bit. I would anticipate that having a tiny bit of negative impact on the markets for today. We can get right into the ES. You can see right now the ES is failing. It's still in this channel, however, but I would not be surprised if we pull back to some um, this FMOC level right here. This is also Monday's high. This would be a good pullback level to support. If we lose that level, I think we quickly move down to 662.75. But we are still in this channel right here. We dipped below the channel during the data and the questions with Powell yesterday. So that is, those kind of fundamentals that impact the market like that. Your technical levels, they don't really hold pat like they normally will. So we'll see what happens with everything right now for today. I would not be surprised for a little pullback after the data is being absorbed in the marketplace. You can see the NASDAQ, though, is holding up a little better than the ES. I do like this level, same level that the ES kind of had, which was Monday's high at 24,556 and 75 cents. If we lose that level, we're gonna probably press down to 499 and a quarter. So let's get right into Tesla right now. Tesla let's go here. So what I want to point out is there is zero upside on trading during FMOC meeting. You have Powell right here. You literally had from the time he started, the data came out, it was 424, 424.65, got as low as 411.77. So you had about a 13-point range right there. And then from the low of 411.77, we closed up near the high of the day, $16 higher, pretty much at 428.30. So about $17 higher right there. So you can see what Tesla's doing now in the pre-market. I do like a few levels that are here right now. I plotted this level right here. This dotted line here is when the data came out. It was the high of the first initial move for the rate cut, which is 424.69. And you could see we popped above it. You could see post market it supported it, and then we pushed higher. So I would not mind this level down here if it pulls back here and it supports this level for a break. Call it a break and retest level. So, and if we lose this level right here, there's another level that I have here that's not far below it. So you can almost use this as a range for getting long at 423.25 to 424.69. Below that, if we lose those levels right here, we pull down to, I think we push down to 419.99, which was January highs. And then we also have a POC level that's open from yesterday as well. But you can see in this pre-market right now, we are going to be creating a higher POC level. So I'm going to plot that right now. And hopefully the market will gravitate towards that POC level right here. Just going to mark that. See, done. So what I'm anticipating to see on the open is maybe push higher for Tesla and people getting all emotional and crazy. All Tesla's going to the moon, and then knock it down and then create a little more liquidity on the downside before we move higher. I think Tesla's one of the strongest stocks that's out there over the last several weeks here. So let's just pay attention to what the market's going to give us. Let's go over yesterday's opening trade here. And we got our opening trade yesterday. It's right in here. There we go. So you could have gotten $3 on the downside. Here's our 5-minute opening range trade right here. So the range on the low side, You had 413.12, and we did get down here to 409.67. So you could have gotten about $3 or $4 out of that move. And then, as you can see later on in the day, we did push higher. We broke the opening range, and then we pushed on higher here. So the opening range here yesterday was on the high side 417.20, and as you know, that we closed way higher. But this is really this is when you don't want to be trading with this crazy town here. You know, Tesla, the high 424, got as low as 411.77. So $13 there, and then from the low here, we pushed higher about another $17 to close up there at I think it was like it's a high up there, 428.31. So that is my pre-market analysis and my bias going into the market today. It does appear that there is some sell-off happening right now. Nothing to get crazy about, though. I think it's healthy for the market to pull back. Anyways, that's it for today. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. If there's anything you want me to cover, please leave a comment below. Have a good trading day, and I will be back later on to post the post-market review. Thank you.